And now we're going to add a course description. So if we click on our course, we're going to add just a little bit of information to describe the course right there. So I'm going to click Edit Course. And just right in this area right here is where we're going to type. And just so you know, this little plus button up here, you can add all kinds of content blocks and formatting. There's even all these LifterLMS components you can put in there to make your own course layout. But we're just going to keep it simple and go with the default layout, and we're just going to add a little course description here. This is just a framework I like to use for writing a short course description. So discover how to get result without common problem objection. So discover how to teach, coach, and train using Zoom without tech headaches or stress. I'm going to click update, and then if we go look on the front end, we can see that we now have a course description right here.